So we'll continue from. Yes, students, we were doing question number 4. Is that clear? Is that clear or not? Am I audible?
Yes.
Right. So we'll start with the question number 5. The assignment on coordinate geometry, multiple choice. Question number 5. The fourth vertex D of a parallelogram ABCD, whose three vertices are given. So students, see, there is a parallelogram. There is a parallelogram ABCD, right? A, C, and D. Now, three of its vertices are given. This question is, students, very, very important. Three vertices are given, minus 2, comma 3, and B is 6, comma 7, and C is 8, comma 3. We have to find the fourth vertex, right? Now, how to find the fourth vertex? Let this vertex is A, comma B, right? Can anybody explain me how to do this question? Very simple question. Students, we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. What is the meaning of bisect? What is the meaning of bisect, bachcho?
2 ratio.
Let these are the diagonals, right? Now these diagonals, what does this mean? O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. Now what we can do, can we find out the coordinate of O from AC? Yes. Midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD. Yes or no, students? Right? Because O is also the midpoint of AC as well as BD. So therefore both will be equal. What will be the midpoint of AC? Apply the formula for midpoint. What is the formula for midpoint, students?
x1 plus x.
x1 plus x2 by 2. So what is x1? Minus 2.
Minus 2.
8 by 2.
2.
So x coordinate, comma
3 divided by 2.
This is the coordinate of AC and it will be equal to coordinate of BD. What will be the coordinate of BD?
6 plus a divided by 2.
And
7 plus b divided by 2.
can you equate them? This will become minus 2 plus 8. 6. 6 by 2. Minus 3 आएगा बच्चों. Plus 3 आएगा.
Plus 3.
3 comma 3 is equal to comma b plus. इनको इक्वेट कर दीजिए बच्चों. A plus 6 by 2 equal to 3. So A will be equal to, what will be the value of A?
0.
0. Similarly, B is equal to, so what is the value of B?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So B will be equal to minus 1. Hence the fourth vertex is 0, comma.
Minus 1.
So which choice? C choice. Right? Is this clear? Any doubt?
Yes.
This question is very, very important. Right? Next question number 6. If the distance between the points 4, comma P and 1, comma 0 is 5, then the value of P is. Very simple question. Distance formula apply कीजिए बच्चों and find the value of P. Apply the distance formula. Why?
Plus minus 4. Minus 4.
Why it's so dark in section A and B? Yes, students. Why it is so dark? हाँ जी.
Light is off.
अच्छा बच्चे प्रॉब्लम आती है स्क्रीन में विजिबिलिटी में अगर लाइट. ओके बच्चों. 6th question all of you have done.
Yes.
Shall we move to the 7th question?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 7, students. If the distance between the points is 5, same question, then the sum of the values of x, which is 6 and 7 are same. So let me explain the 7th question to you people. Points are 2 comma minus 2 and minus 1 comma x, and the distance between them is 5, right? Apply the distance formula in this. X minus minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 under root equal to, is this clear बच्चों?
Yes.
y minus y1 minus y2 whole square plus x1 minus x2 whole square. So what this becomes, squaring both sides,
X.
plus 9
9.
into
25.
so what is this becomes a quadratic equation 13
Yes.
minus 25. So the quadratic equation bन minus 12 equal to 0. What will be the factors? What will be the factors, students?
6x minus 2x.
Plus 6 minus 2, right? So x plus 6 minus 2 into, so the factors will be x plus 6 and x minus 2 is 0. One factor will be
Minus
minus 6, another will be
2.
2. So what is the sum of these two?
Minus 4.
The answer will be
C option.
minus 4 is C option, right? Minus 4 is C option. Next question, students. The distance between the points a cos theta plus b sin theta minus comma 0 and 0
Sir,
comma.
we have done this question in our class. Please continue with next question.
Okay. Which question?
9.
9th you have done?
8 we have done.
Okay, I shall explain the question number 9. Right.
Yes.
Question number 9 is a line segment is of length 10 units. If the coordinate of its 1 and are 2 comma 3, right? 2 comma minus 3 and the abscissa of the other end is 10. हाँ जी बच्चे simple question है देखिए जरा. There is a line segment whose one end is 2 comma minus 3 and the abscissa of the other end is 10. What does this mean? The coordinate of the other end is it clear? And its
Yes.
value is 10 units. The same question as question number 6 and 7. Please try this. Same question as question number 6 and 7. Only the terminology has changed. Here the x coordinate they have mentioned the word abscissa. Please do it and find the value of y. Are you students done? -9. There should be two answers. The value of y
3 and -9.
3 and -9. Let's see. 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to, right, bacha? Right? There can be another simple way. This is 8 square. Let me explain you in a different way, right? This is 100. What is y plus 3 whole square? Is it clear, bacha? Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Now y plus 3 whole square can be written as 36. So y plus 3 can be written as plus minus 6 whole square.
Yes.
So what will be y plus 3 equal to? Plus minus 6. So one time take its value as positive. So value of y will be 3. In the second case, take y plus 3 as negative. So value of y will be.
-9.
So this is another way of calculating this. Right, students? So 3 and -9. So option C again. Now comes to the question number 10. If A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle, then the length of the median through the vertex C. Now we have to find the length of the median through vertex C. How to find out this? Let's see. Let's say this is the triangle ABC, right? Since we have to find the length of the median through C, what will be the length of the median through C? First draw the median. Let's say this is the median. Yes or no, bacho? A, B, C coordinates are given to you. To find out the length of CD, you require the coordinate of D. How to find out the coordinate of D?
Is midpoint of AB.
D is the midpoint of AB. So find the coordinate of D and then find the length of CD. Right? So please do it.
-1, -1.
That is the coordinate of D. Coordinate of D are
-1,
-1,
-1.
it is -4, -4. Yes. This is -4.
-1, -1.
This will be the coordinate of students. D, that comes out to be -1, -1. Now you can find out the distance formula, length of the DC by the distance formula. Please do it. Please find the distance DC or the length of the DC. कितना आया students?
√85.
√85.
Yes.
85? 49
Sir.
plus yes. √85 option C again, right?
So yes.
Right? 5 minus -1 whole square plus -8 minus -1 means plus. So 36 plus 49, that becomes √85. Is this clear?
So yes.
Question number 11. The line segment joining points -3, -4 and 1, -2 is divided by the y-axis. Now try to understand this question. When this question is divided by the y-axis, every point on y-axis has its abscissa as
0.
x coordinate of the point which is dividing is 0. Means, let's say this is the line segment 1, minus 2. Let's say this is the divided by the y-axis. This point will be 0 comma y. So you have to find the ratio. Take ratio k is to 1. K is to 1 to find out the ratio and equate equal to the x coordinate, right? Please find the ratio, बच्चों. Please find the ratio.
Sir, 3:1.
3:1. How many students have done this? Please raise your hand. डार्क इतना है कुछ नजर ही नहीं आएगा, है ना?
Switch on the light.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. And the section A also, if you also can switch on your lights, बच्चों. Yes, how many of you done? Please raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 students I can see. 5. And from section A and C, how many of you have done? Section A and C, none of you have done. Please do it fast, बच्चों. Apply the section formula. Apply the section formula. हाँ जी students. Why it is taking so much time? बच्चों section formula क्या होता है? X coordinate is equal to mx2 plus nx1 over m plus 1 n. Similarly, y coordinate is equal to my2 plus ny1 over. So when you have to find the x coordinate is given 0. The ratio is k is to 1. K multiplied by 1 plus 1. K into 1 plus 1 into minus 3 over k plus 1. हाँ जी बच्चों, आपका रेशियो कितनी बोल रहे थे आप? 3:4 कौन बोल रहा था? What was the ratio बच्चों?
3:1.
3:1, right. So this comes out to बच्चों k minus 3 over k plus 1 equal to 0. So cross multiply करेंगे बेटा, this term will become 0. K minus 3 equal to 0 and k will be equal to 3. So ratio will be 3:1, right? So the right answer will be option B. Same is the next question, students. Here you have to find the ratio in which the x-axis divide the segment joining the points A, that is 3,6, and B, which is minus 12, minus 3 is. Now here, since the line segment is divided by the x ratio, the coordinate of the point which divides will be x, 0. So here you have to take the y coordinate equal to 0. Same question बच्चों, please do it. And जिन बच्चों ने कर लिया, please don't prompt the answer. Let others also do it. How many students know how to do this question? Yes. जिन लोगों को पता है कि क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है बेटा प्लीज रेज योर हैंड because I can see some of you still looking here and there, no idea. देखिए students, I'll explain you how to do this question. Everyone look at the board please. Everyone, I can see many of you don't know how to do this question. And this is one of the very important concepts of this chapter, right? How to apply the section formula. Please look at the board everyone. Section C, second bench girl students, please look at the board. Now, the line segment is given with A as coordinate 3, 6 and B as minus 12, minus 3. Now, this point is cut by the x-axis, right? Let's say this is the x-axis. This is cut by x-axis. That's mean every point on the x-axis has its y-coordinate at 0, right? So therefore, the coordinate of the point where it cuts is x, 0. Have you understood, बच्चों? Let's say मैं थोड़ा सा और इसको अगर properly draw करता हूँ. So first point is 3, 6. Let's say this is 3, 6. What is the next point? Minus 12, minus 13. Minus 3. So minus 12, minus 3. Let's say this point is here. If you meet this line segment, this is the point where it is cut by the x-axis, students. What will be the coordinate of this point?
X comma
X, 0, right? So x, 0 means y coordinate of every point on the x-axis will be 0. Similarly, every point on y-axis will have its x coordinate as 0. So this type of question comes very frequently in the exam. So you should know how to solve this. Now you have the x coordinate as 0, right? So now come here. Have you understood from here? Now come here. Now let ratio be the k is to 1. Whenever you have to find the ratio, please take the ratio as k is to 1. Now apply the section formula which I have explained you. Now since its y coordinate is 0, apply this formula. Right? When you have to apply the y coordinate is 0. So what will be the y coordinate? 0 equal to this is m, this is m. m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. Now solve this and find the value of k. Everyone please solve it. I can call from any of you, especially backbenchers, those who are not contributing. Bache, our purpose is every one of you should learn how to do the questions, not only 4 or 5 students. Everyone should understand each and everything. Yes, students, done? How many of you have completed? चलो कीजिए फटाफट पूरा कीजिए जल्दी से. Yes, students. It a girl student in section 10C, third bench. Extreme right row, third bench. That's sweater girl. Please, yeah. Blazer डाला हुआ है जिन्होंने, please come. आ जाओ बेटा. अपनी नोटबुक लेके आओ. Yes बच्चे, have you done this?
सर नो सर अभी कर रहे हैं.
Why not done? बेटा इसमें तो कुछ था ही नहीं, इसके बाद तो आपको जस्ट सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है. You tell me how to do this question now.
सर 0 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3k प्लस 6 ओवर k प्लस 1.
वेरी गुड. तो अभी तक किया क्यों नहीं आपने? 0 इज इक्वल टू -3k प्लस 6 ओवर
k प्लस 1.
राइट. व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप बेटा?
सर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
Yes, cross multiplication. So this will be multiplied by the 0. 0 into k plus 1. What it becomes?
0
So 0 will be equal to.
माइनस 3k प्लस 6.
Now what will be the value of k?
सर k इज इक्वल्स टू 6 प्लस 3.
k is equal to 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 बेटा देखिए -3k plus 6 equal to 0. Take 6 on the other side. Is it clear?
सर यस.
No or yes? Is it clear or not?
सर यस.
Now what we'll do? What will be the next step बेटा?
सर k इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 6 ओवर माइनस 3. सर प्लस 3.
Here is +3. पहले सोच के बताओ बेटा कि -3 और +3.
सर प्लस 3.
+3. बेटा हमारे पास तो -3 है. You can do one thing. You can first cut minus minus, right? Then k is equal to 6 upon 3. So what is the value of k? 2. What will be the ratio? What will be the ratio beta?
Ratio 1.
Ratio 1. Have you understood?
सर यस.
What you have not understood?
सर अंडरस्टूड.
Please sit down. Everybody, is this clear or not?
Yes.
Any doubt? Right. We move on to the next question, students. Question number 13. If 3 points 0, 0, 3, √3 and 3, lambda form an equilateral triangle. Right? देखिए students, what is the question? You have drawn an equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle, students? What do you mean by equilateral triangles?
All sides of triangle equal.
All sides of triangle are equal. Now how to find the value of this lambda? You know what this symbol is called? Lambda. Have you done this? Have you done it or not? कहीं पे यूज नहीं किया बेटा इसको? नहीं किया है. लाइट वाले चैप्टर में वेवलेंथ के लिए यूज किया है इसको हमने. Anyway, how to solve this? Since it is equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what we shall do here to find out the value of lambda? Who will tell me?
AB equals to AC.
AB equal to AC कर ले बच्चों. Right? You can also do equal to BC, but when you do with AC, the calculation will be easier. Please do it now. Please make AB equal to AC and then solve it and find the value of lambda. And the students, make AB equal to AC and find the value of lambda. Everyone shall do this question. For those students who finish the question, don't. Okay. बच्चे आंसर नहीं बोलना. If you have done very good, let others also do it. How many students in section 10A has done? Anyone in 10A have done the question? None. Please do it बच्चों fast. Apply the distance formula. No discussion. ये दो गर्ल्स बैठी हैं जो 10C में. एक खड़े हो जाओ आप दोनों में से बेटा. सेकंड बेंच पे जो है. सेकंड बेंच 10C right hand side students. Please one of you please stand up. They know I am asking them to stand. They are laughing. ठीक है but any teacher is there in section 10C?
Yes, sir.
Then please change the seat of one of these girls on second bench on the extreme right side. The girl to whom I have called to ask the question उनके आगे वाले bench पे. जो अभी गर्ल आई थी जिसने क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन किया था उससे जो नेक्स्ट बेंच पे फ्रंट बेंच पे वन ऑफ द गर्ल प्लीज चेंज योर सीट. हाँ जी बच्चे हैव यू डन द क्वेश्चन? प्लीज स्टैंड अप. जिन्होंने सीट चेंज किया प्लीज स्टैंड अप बेटा.
Sir, yes.
हैव यू डन द क्वेश्चन?
Sir, yes.
बेटा अपनी नोटबुक लो. व्हाई यू हैव टेकन हर नोटबुक? व्हाट यू थिंक आई कांट सी एनीथिंग? अब मेरे सामने खड़े होके वहां पे नोटबुक उठा रहे हो दूसरी गर्ल का. मैम कैन यू कम इन द फ्रेम इन द सेक्शन 10C?
Sir, done.
अच्छा आपने साथ वाली स्टूडेंट की नोटबुक क्यों उठाई है? हाँ जी टेल मी व्हाट यू हैव डन.
Sir, by using distance formula.
Look at the screen and tell me what you have done.
Sir, by using distance formula.
उसके बाद क्या किया ना बेटा? डिस्टेंस फार्मूला कैसे लगाया?
3 square. 3 square minus under root 3 square minus under root 3
3 स्क्वायर माइनस अंडर रूट 3.
का स्क्वायर अंडर रूट
बेटा माइनस आता है प्लस आता है?
प्लस.
तो आप माइनस क्यों बोल रहे हो? Have you done it or not? Teacher present, check her notebook. Teacher present is requested to please check the notebook of this girl student.
Sir, it is written over here. She is trying to solve the question actually. She has made the squaring.
Yeah, squaring of
9 plus, what is written over here? 9 plus 3, sir, under root 9 plus 3 is equal to under root 9 plus lambda square. So
Very-
she is making the squares in both sides. And the next step, she is performing 9 plus here 3 is equal to 9 plus lambda.
very good.
And then 9 plus 3 minus 9 minus lambda is equal to 0.
Right,
So
right.
she has made the find the solution lambda is equal to 3.
Thank you, ma'am. Beta, when you have done it correct, then why you are not telling me? Then why you have picked the notebook of the other student? आपने अगर क्वेश्चन किया है बेटा, ठीक किया है, then why you are picking up the notebook of the other student? बच्चे अगर आपको डाउट है, नहीं आया समझ, you ask me. This is my job to answer all of your questions. But चीटिंग क्यों करनी है? Please sit down. See students, those who have not done, how to do this question. First of all, find AB by distance formula. What is distance formula? Yes. Who will tell me distance formula? Section 10A, center line.
x square minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
स्क्वायर कहाँ गया लैम्डा का?
अंडर रूट ऑल्सो. अंडर रूट नहीं होता.
यहाँ पर लैम्डा का स्क्वायर था, यहाँ हट गया. लैम्डा का स्क्वायर लिखिए.
देखिए बच्चों क्या करना है यहाँ पे. दिस इज x1, दिस इज y1, दिस इज x2, y2. x1 minus x2, 3 minus 0 whole square plus
अंडर रूट 3 माइनस 0 का स्क्वायर.
right. So what this becomes? 3 square
9 plus 3
under root 12. That will be AC. x2 minus x1
अंडर 3 माइनस 0 होल स्क्वायर प्लस लैम्डा माइनस 0.
So 3 square will be 9. Right, students?
Yes.
Now equate them. Under root 12 is equal to 9 plus. So what we'll do now?
Cancel.
Squaring both sides.
Yes.
So this will be 12 equal to
Plus.
so 3 equal to lambda. What will be the value of lambda, students? Plus minus 3. क्या given है बच्चे?
अंडर रूट 3 आएगा.
तो यहाँ पे चॉइसेस कौन सी आएगी बेटा?
None of these.
None of these, right? Next is if P, that is h comma y, is equidistant from A and B, then we have to develop the relation between x and y. See student how to do this question. There are 2 points. There are 2 points. One is A, that is 5 comma 1, and another is B, which is minus 1 comma 5. There is a point P which is equidistant from these 2 points, and the coordinate of P are x comma y, right? So what we have to do, what is the meaning of equidistance? The meaning of equidistance is PA equal to, is it clear? Is this clear, bachcho?
Yes.
So please apply this distance formula and solve this and develop the relation between x and y. Distance formula लगाइए बच्चों यहाँ पे. You can do one thing. You can square here only also, or you can take squaring both sides. So therefore PA square will be PB square. Or you can first put in the under root form and later on you can do the squaring both sides. It is one and the same thing. Right? Please do everyone. Beta no talking in section A. Left side वाले last के 2 benches. Everyone is visible from where I am standing. बेटा हमारे सामने ना एक बहुत बड़ी स्क्रीन लगी होती है, ठीक है? अगर जो एक्चुअल में बच्चा नजर आता है ना, उससे भी बड़ी आपकी इमेज मुझे नजर आ रही है. आप हल्का सा भी हिलते हो, कुछ भी करते हो, आई कैन सी. ठीक है? If you have doubt, please ask. I'll be most happiest person if you ask your doubt. Plus, don't discuss. बच्चों अप्लाई द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला एंड इक्वेट PA इक्वल टू PB. हाँ जी, how many of you have done section C? I think some of you have done. One student has done. Very good. हाँ जी, section 10 है. How many student have done? Section 10 है बेटा, किसी ने नहीं किया अभी तक? Front bench girl student, no discussion.
Raise your hands if you have done.
Only one student in section 10C, right? हाँ जी, PA कितने बच्चों ने फाइंड आउट कर लिया बेटा? How many of you have find out the PA? Please raise your hands. PA भी नहीं किया अभी तक. Section 10A, extreme left side, second last bench. Please come forward बच्चे. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, आप आ जाओ, आपको ही बुला रहा हूँ बेटा. Yes. Please stand up and come. Please bring your notebook.
Yes,
बेटा, have you find out PA?
doing
हाँ जी
कर रहे हैं ना.
बेटा, कैसे करना है बताएंगे आप मुझे जरा इसको.
By distance formula.
What is this formula?
Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1.
Why you are not applying the
Yes sir.
distance formula? क्यों नहीं अप्लाई किया अभी तक फिर आपने? What is y1 here?
y1
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 1, y2
y2 1
y2.
y
y2 कितना है?
बेटा या तो आप देखिए इसको, आप अगर आप इसको x1 y1 ले रहे हैं, so this will be x2 y2,
yes
right?
yes
Yes or no?
yes sir.
Apply the formula. What it will become? करो बेटा, खड़े खड़े होके यहीं पे करो क्वेश्चन and then tell me. हाँ जी, क्या बना बेटा?
करो जल्दी.
पुट दीजिएगा.
बेटा हम दोनों साथ साथ करते हैं ना, बताइए जरा क्या क्या लिखा आपने अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप.
under root 5 minus x
5 minus x, वेरी गुड. हाँ जी, अंडर रूट 5 माइनस x.
yes whole square
हाँ जी,
plus 1 minus y
हाँ
whole square.
होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है, यहाँ तक. आगे इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लिया. क्या होता है बेटा a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला?
yes sir.
a minus b का होल
a square plus b square minus 2ab.
a स्क्वायर क्या बनेगा बेटा यहाँ पे?
a 5 square
5 स्क्वायर कितना होता है?
25
25. आगे
minus x square
माइनस x स्क्वायर.
plus x square
हाँ जी,
minus 2 multiply by
मल्टीप्लाई बाय
5 multiply by x.
कितना बन जाएगा बेटा टोटल?
कितना बना? 2 into 5 कितना होता है?
2 5 10x
10x प्लस होगा माइनस होगा बेटा?
minus
माइनस. और यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा बेटा?
आइडेंटिटी लगेगी सर इधर भी.
हम बताइए क्या लगेगी?
1 square
1 स्क्वायर कितना होता है?
1 minus y square प्लस वाई
1 माइनस वाई
प्लस
क्यूब।
वाई स्क्वायर
बेटा फार्मूला होता है ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर। डोंट लाफ, डोंट लाफ।
1 स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर
हाँ जी,
2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय
हाँ जी, क्या आएगा टोटल?
1 वाई
कितना आ जाएगा बेटा?
1 वाई 2 वाई।
ठीक है जी, ये आपके पास पी ए आ गया, राइट? नाउ टेल मी व्हाट विल बी पी बी। व्हाट विल बी पी बी?
सर x1 x2 माइनस आइडेंटिटी लगेगी डिस्टेंस
बोलो बोलो बेटा, क्या लगेगी? बोलो। यस,
-1
-1। आगे बोलो बेटा।
-x स्क्वायर
माइनस एक्स
होल स्क्वायर प्लस
प्लस
y माइनस y स्क्वायर y होल स्क्वायर।
हाँ जी, इसको एक्सपेंड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा बेटा?
आइडेंटिटी
इसको सॉल्व करें, आगे क्या आएगा बेटा? बोलो।
1 प्लस x 1 प्लस x स्क्वायर 1 प्लस होल स्क्वायर 1 प्लस x होल स्क्वायर।
1 प्लस एक्स होल स्क्वायर।
यस
ये कहाँ से आया बेटा? ये तो -1 माइनस।
प्लस 25
नहीं, ये कहाँ से आया बेटा?
माइनस माइनस प्लस
माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गए। बेटा हम क्या करते हैं, ये देखिए लिखा हुआ था ना -1 माइनस एक्स होल स्क्वायर। तो हम जब माइनस को कॉमन ले रहे हैं तो स्क्वायर भी कॉमन लेंगे माइनस का, विच विल बी प्लस, राइट? तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा। सो वी आर लेफ्ट विद 1 प्लस एक्स होल स्क्वायर। एवरीवन प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस स्टेप। इट विल बिकम 1 प्लस एक्स होल स्क्वायर, राइट? प्लस आगे बोलिए बेटा।
डिवाइड
हाँ जी,
माइनस वाई
माइनस।
प्लस वाई।
बेटा ये ना आपको डिफॉल्ट मोड में हो आप कि हमेशा माइनस ही लिखना है। अगर ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर है तो वो ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग। इट विल बी ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर। मैनी ऑफ यू स्टिल हैव दिस नोशन कि उसको माइनस लिखना है, तभी आप बार बार सेम मिस्टेक रिपीट कर रहे हो। इट विल बी
प्लस वाई
आएगा।
यस सर
आगे
-10 वाई
वेरी गुड। अब इन दोनों को इक्वल कर दें बच्चों, तो
यस
यहाँ से क्या बन जाएगा? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर। इनको दोनों को हमने इक्वल कर दिया, पी ए इक्वल टू पी बी। और जब दोनों के स्क्वायर को इक्वल करेंगे तो स्क्वायर रूट्स हट जाएंगे बच्चे। जब स्क्वायर रूट हटाओगे तो आपके पास क्या बनेगा? 25 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 10x प्लस 1 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2y इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस एक्स होल स्क्वायर प्लस 25 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस
सर 10x आएगा
10x। अब इसके बाद क्या करें बेटा? आगे आगे क्या करेंगे?
1 प्लस x
1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर कर दे, इधर सॉल्व कर लो।
आइडेंटिटी लगेगी सर 1 प्लस x की।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, देखो इनको सॉल्व करो बेटा, बैठ जाइए आप जरा। आगे देखिए बच्चों कैसे करना है, प्लीज सिट डाउन, बैठ जाओ आप। देखिए बेटा इसके बाद सबको सॉल्व करना है। हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 10x माइनस 2y, और ये जो दोनों कांस्टेंट टर्म्स है इनको ऐड कर दीजिए, राइट? 1 प्लस 25 विल बी 26। अप्लाई द आइडेंटिटी हियर। 1 स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, तो दिस विल बिकम 2x प्लस 25 प्लस y स्क्वायर माइनस 10y, राइट? इज दिस क्लियर? वो सारी टर्म भी आप जो है लेफ्ट साइड पे ले आइए बच्चों, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 10x माइनस 2y प्लस 26 माइनस 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 25 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 10y इक्वल टू 0। अब मुझे बताइए कैंसिल क्या क्या हो रहा है बच्चों? और ये 26 भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा? यस और नो? तो व्हाट यू आर लेफ्ट विद माइनस 10x माइनस 2x, ये कितना बन गया बच्चों? माइनस 12x माइनस 2y प्लस 10y। यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? 8y इक्वल टू, ये कैंसिल हो गया, 4 2 सा 4 3 सा, तो रिलेशन विल बी 2y equal to 3x. Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Any student who have not understood, please raise your hand. सबको समझ आ गया बच्चों? Yes. So right choice will be B choice. Now comes to the question number 15. If P, Q, R and S are the vertices of the parallelogram, then the value of y. बेटा सेम क्वेश्चन है जो अभी हमने क्वेश्चन किया था, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. It is the same question like the question number 5. वहां पे बच्चे आपको फोर्थ वर्टेक्स का फाइंड आउट करनी थी. Here you have to find the y coordinate of the s vertex, but concept same लगाना है, right? You have to equate the midpoints of the two diagonals. No talking. Section C. Why you are talking बच्चे? हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, सेम क्वेश्चन है. सेम देखिए बच्चों, सेम क्वेश्चन है, मैं डायग्राम द्वारा ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. ये देखिए एक पैरेललोग्राम है हमारे पास, ए बी सी डी. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला मत लगाने लग जाना इसमें बच्चों, राइट? दैट विल बी क्वाइट कम्बरसम. अच्छा पी क्यू आर एस दिए इन्होंने, नाम चेंज कर लेते हैं जी. पी क्यू आर एस पॉइंट्स आर 2,4 0,3 3,6 and 5,1. सेम वे से बच्चे इनके जो डायगोनल हैं उनके मिड पॉइंट्स को इक्वल कर दो, राइट? Both will have the same midpoint, both diagonal will have the same midpoint. So midpoint of PR will be equal to midpoint of QS. Equal to midpoint of QS. Right? And only you need to find out the y coordinate. दोनों के सिर्फ y coordinate को इक्वेट कर दो, you will get the value. Right? Equate only the y coordinate. Has students done?
Yes.
Hanji, how many of you have done? Very good. चलिए बेटा सेक्शन 10 ए में सेंटर लाइन पे जो लास्ट स्टूडेंट बैठे प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड, प्लीज कम बेटा. नोटबुक ले आओ, अपनी नोटबुक.
यस सर.
हाँ जी बच्चे बताइए क्या किया.
सर मैंने पी आर एंड क्यू एस के जो मिड पॉइंट का फॉर्मूला है उन दोनों को इक्वल पर रख दिया.
हाँ जी बताइए क्या क्या रखा, बताइए क्या फॉर्मूला.
पी आर के पॉइंट्स है एक्स का है 5/2, वाई है 5, और जो दूसरी साइड वाले पॉइंट्स है उसका भी एक्स 5/2 और वाई प्लस 3/2.
5/2 कॉमा
वाई प्लस 3/2.
वेरी गुड. तो बस y को इक्वल कर दो.
अभी वाई वाले पॉइंट इक्वल है 5 इक्वल टू वाई प्लस 3/2. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया 10 इक्वल टू वाई प्लस 3 माइनस कर 7 आंसर आ गया.
वेरी गुड बेटा. प्लीज सिट डाउन. सो y की वैल्यू जो आ गई आपके पास, दैट कम्स आउट टू बी 7. राइट स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes.
एनी डाउट?
No.
स्टूडेंट्स ने नहीं किया, यू कैन नोट डाउन बच्चों. Come to the question number 16. A line intersects the y-axis and x-axis at P and Q. इसका डायग्राम बनाते हैं बच्चों, देखिए.
Sir,
हाँ जी.
please explain that question again.
Yes, yes, I will. This one जी. See students, the midpoint of the diagonal PR will be equal to the midpoint of the diagonal QS. Is it clear? What will be the midpoint of PR? 2 plus 3 by 2. This will be the x coordinate. 4 plus 6 by 2. Is this step clear, bachcho? The coordinates of the midpoints we can find out by the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Right? Now what is x1? x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 plus x2 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Is it clear? Is this clear? Yes or no? If student ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था बेटा, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड इट और नॉट नाउ?
Sir.
नहीं?
Yes, sir.
ओके. तो आपके पास बेटा ये आ गए पी आर के मिड पॉइंट्स के कोऑर्डिनेट. इसको आपने सिंप्लीफाई किया. 2 plus 3 इज, ये आ जाएगा 2 plus 3 5/2 and 4 plus 6 that is 10. 10/2 is 5. कोई डाउट?
No.
Now come to the QS. 5 plus 0 by 2. 5 plus 0 is 5, so that will be 5/2. Right? This will be 5/2. Right? Next is y plus 3/2. This will be y plus 3/2. तो अब आप दोनों को जब इक्वेट करेंगे, you can see the x coordinate is same in both. You just need to equate the y coordinate to find out the value of y. तो हमने इसको बेटा y coordinate को इक्वेट कर दिया. 5 is equal to y plus 3/2. इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया, तो we have got the value of y as 7.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay बच्चों. Now we move on to the next question. Question number 16. हाँ जी. Just see the question. A line intersects the y-axis and x-axis at P and Q respectively. देखिए बच्चों, यहाँ पे पॉइंट गिवन है बेटा P एंड Q. y एक्सिस पे पॉइंट P है और x एक्सिस पे Q है. ठीक है. If 2 comma minus 5, where will be 2 comma minus 5? 2 is here, 5 will be minus 5 here. Means let's say this is the line. Line cuts the x-axis at y-axis at P and x-axis at Q. Is it clear? The midpoint of this segment is 2 comma minus 5. Have you understood, bacho? Diagram is clear to all of you?
Yes.
Now, what you have to do, you have to find the coordinates of P and Q respectively. Everyone, please look at the board. Leave whatever you are doing, please leave it. Ma'am, just give me 1 minute. Ma'am, in section C, please give me 1 minute so that I can explain them. Student, look at the diagram. Now, what it is given, the line cuts the x-axis at Q and y-axis at P. Now, tell me what will be the coordinate of Q? What will be the coordinate of Q?
X, comma 0.
X comma 0. What will be the coordinate of P?
0, y.
बस आपका हो गया क्वेश्चन. Now apply the midpoint formula in PQ. What will be the midpoint of PQ? Midpoint of PQ. What it will be? X plus 0 by 2, comma, right? And midpoint is also given. Can you equate it? बेटा x coordinate को x से equate कर दो, y coordinate y. Can you find out the value of the coordinates now?
Yes.
Please do it. If किसी को कोई चीज नहीं clear है, please can ask the question. Anyone, anything not clear, please tell me. First, you need to draw the diagram. Now, any point on the x-axis has its y coordinate 0. Any point on the y-axis has its x coordinate 0. So we apply this concept. We have taken the coordinates of P and Q as 0, y and x, 0 respectively. Right? So from here, you will have 2 is equal to x by 2. So the value of x will be, and y plus 0 means y by 2.
कोऑर्डिनेट्स बना के लिखो फिर x की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा 4,0
Yes.
और
0, minus 10.
Coordinates of P,
बोलो
0, minus 10. 4, 0.
so what will be the right choice?
A option.
A option. Have you understood, students?
Yes.
Right. Comes to the question number 17. The coordinates of the midpoint, which is equidistance from the 3 vertices of triangle shown in the figure are. And students, what will be the coordinates of the point which is equal from all the 3 vertices? हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन ये? Yes or no? How many of you think you can do it? Tell me. Let me explain it. Now, student, it is given. There is a triangle. The vertices of this triangle is given. Sorry, 0, 0. Right? These are the vertices of the triangle. We have to check which of the following point is at equal distance from this. The coordinates of the point which is equidistant from the 3 vertices of the triangle shown in the figure. How to do this, students? We have already done this question earlier also. When we have done the topic of coordinate geometry, this question was also done. How to do this, students? Now we have been given the point x comma y comma x by 2 comma y by 2 and y by 2 comma x by 2. We have to find the point which is equidistant from all these three vertices. Right, students? So how to do this? If you look at the option, the first option is x comma y. This length is, what is this length? This total length is 2x बच्चों. बेटा देखिए x जो आपका let's say this is OAB. What will be the length OA? बच्चे जो कोऑर्डिनेट है x एक्सिस का A पॉइंट का उसका जो x कोऑर्डिनेट है that will be the length. Yes or no? देखिए जरा. This is origin 0 0. Let's say this point is 2 comma 0. What is this distance? 2 units now. So what will be this distance?
2x.
What is this distance? 2y. Is it clear? Now the midpoint of this will be x comma 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now first point x comma y will lie in this point, this line or not? X comma y will lie on this line or not? Yes or no? This point will be. Now calculate the distance of, let's say this point is P. Calculate OP, PB and AB. Please calculate बच्चों. Please calculate this distance. OP, PB and AB.
Sir, please explain again.
Yeah. Students, this length is 2x, right? If you have to check the first point given, which is x comma y. See, what will be the midpoint of AB? What is midpoint of AB? Please find. What is the midpoint of AB? क्या होगा बच्चों? ये आ जाएगा बच्चों या नहीं? Yes. What it will be? Is it clear or not, जी?
Yes.
What is the meaning this? कि ये जो point P है बेटा, means PA और PB equal है बेटा. यहाँ से ये तो prove हो गया. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now calculate the distance OP. Now calculate the distance OP. So what will be OP? So what is the distance OP?
X square plus y square.
Now calculate PB.
Under root x square plus y square.
सारा इक्वल आ गया बेटा. ये भी इसके इक्वल आ रहा है बेटा. PB भी आ रहा है अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. So PA will also be equal to
X square plus y square.
Have you understood the question or not?
Yes.
So what will be the answer?
A option.
Have you understood any doubt in the question? हाँ जी बच्चे. Shall we move to the next question? Shall we move to the next question or not?
Yes.
Question number 18. In the given figure, PQRS is a straight line. Right? R is the midpoint of QS. R is the. देखिए स्टूडेंट हम डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं जी. This is the diagram, students. P Q.
सर मैम से ना नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे पूछ लिया
Right, students? This is the diagram. Now what he says, R is the midpoint of QS. Means R is the midpoint of QS. Means this distance and this distance are equal. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. R is the midpoint of QS and Q is the midpoint of PS. Means ये जो distance है, this distance is equal to this distance. ये दोनों भी equal है बच्चे. Means Q is the midpoint of PS. Right? S is 6,5. S given है बेटा 6,5. R is 3,5. R is 3,5 and T is 4,8. Find the length of the median TU. TU की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है बच्चों. बड़ा सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है जी, देखिए जरा. काफी सारी चीजें हैं इसलिए कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना. First of all, can we find the coordinate of Q?
Yes.
Let the coordinate of Q as x comma y. So R is the midpoint of Q and S. So what will be the midpoint of QS equal to R. तो ये फार्मूला लगा दे बेटा. व्हाट इज QS? QS के मिड पॉइंट क्या हो जाएंगे जी? x plus 6/2 comma y plus 5/2 is equal to.
3,5.
How can you find x and y?
Yes.
Please find out. Please find out the coordinate of Q. आ जाएंगे आपके पास बेटा.
So done.
हाँ जी, what is the value of x and y?
0,5.
कितना आ गया बेटा x? x की वैल्यू कितनी आ रही है? x will be 0 and y is equal to
5.
5. तो coordinate of Q क्या आ जाएंगे बेटा?
0,5.
Now you got the coordinate of Q and Q is the midpoint of.
PS.
So can you same way can you find out the coordinate of P?
Yes.
तो ये Q किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा? Midpoint of PS. अब इस केस में let's say this is alpha comma beta, right? So what it will be? 0,5 will be equal to alpha plus 6
Plus 6 divided by 2.
and beta plus 5 divided by.
By
What is the value of alpha and beta? Alpha 6 beta 5 आ गया बेटा?
yes.
नहीं,
Minus,
आएगा
-6.
-6 and 5. So coordinate of P will be
-6,5.
very easy. Now you have to find the length of the median TU. So can you find out the coordinate of U? U is the midpoint of PQ. Beta, if PU is the median, that means U is the midpoint of PQ. Yes or no? कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं हो रहा बेटा? कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं हो रहा ना? देखो, PU is the median of triangle PQT. So therefore, U will be the midpoint of PQ. So find the coordinate of U. U के coordinate find out करो बेटा. देखिए सेम फार्मूला वी हैव टू अप्लाई 3 प्लेसेस. मिड पॉइंट का फार्मूला हमने 3 जगह पे अप्लाई करा है बेटा. कहां कहां किया है? टू फाइंड आउट द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ Q, then to find out the coordinate of P, and then to find out the coordinate of U.
Minus 3 comma 5.
Minus 3,5 आ गया सबका बच्चों? Now find the length of the TU, median TU. Length find out करो TU कीजिए. And you apply the distance formula to find out the length of TU.
Under root 58 units.
Under root 58 unit. Answer is there.
Yes.
4,8 and minus 3, U is minus 3,5. So distance will be 4 minus minus 3 plus 8 minus 5. That will be 7 square is 49 plus 9. Under root 58 units is the answer. Clear है बच्चों?
Yes.
Any doubt? Any doubt students? चलिए अब आगे आ जाइए जी. Assertion, reason और statement questions, they are same as the assertion, reason जी, right? So first question, 19th question. If the coordinates of the midpoint of the sides AB and AC of a triangle are, हाँ जी, देखिए क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है. एक ट्रायंगल गिवन है. Triangle is given ABC, right? Now it has been given the coordinates of the midpoints of AB. AB का midpoint, let's say it is P, and AC का coordinate, let's say this is Q. Of AB and AC of triangle are D and E given as D and E. The coordinate of D are 3, 5, and coordinate of E are minus 3, then BC is 20 units. We have been given the length of BC is 20 units. Who will explain me how to do this question? कौन explain करेगा बेटा? बहुत ही shortcut लगेगा इसके अंदर. No need to do very big thing. Very very simple question. 9th में आपने एक midpoint theorem की थी बच्चों? How many of you remember that theorem? जिन जिनको याद है please raise your hand. Anyone of you remember that theorem? बेटा देखिए मैं explain कर देता हूँ क्या थी वो theorem. What this theorem says, if we have a triangle ABC, a line joining the midpoint of the two sides of a triangle, D, a line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and is half of the third side. याद आया बच्चों कुछ? The midpoint theorem says a line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and is half of the third side. So if you can find the length of D, बच्चे अगर आपके पास D की लेंथ आ जाए तो can you find out the length of the BC?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So please do it. What is the length of D?
10 units.
10 यूनिट आ रही है. अगर ये 10 है तो ये कितना होगा? ये 20 होगा ना बेटा, डबल है. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is the statement 1? True or false?
True.
Statement 1 is true.
Yes.
Now statement 2. The line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Is it clear?
Yes.
So is it the right explanation? Is it the right explanation or not?
Yes.
राइट एक्सप्लेनेशन कैसे हुआ बताइए मेरे को. इज इट द राइट एक्सप्लेनेशन? देखिए हमें लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है. लेंथ के बारे में तो लिखा नहीं है ना यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे either it should have mentioned the line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of the third side. Then it would have been the correct explanation. Is it clear? If that part is not mentioned, so here it is not the correct explanation. Is it clear? अच्छा देखिए मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ. Let's say D is parallel to DC. Parallel है ये, right or not? If it is parallel, it doesn't say कि it is half also. हाफ तो नहीं कह रहा है ना बेटा ये. लेंथ में तो कोई रिलेशन नहीं आ रहा ना यहाँ पे. To prove the statement 1, we require the relation on the length. There is no relation between the lengths, so hence it will not be the correct explanation. Is it clear? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं बच्चे. A triangle with vertices 4, 0, -1, -1 and 3, 5 is isosceles right angle triangle. You have to check the triangle is isosceles right angle triangle. How you will check it? How you will check it बच्चों? How you will check it? It is a right angle triangle. देखिए बेटा अगर right angle triangle है, it will obeys the Pythagoras theorem, right? Another thing is, if it is a right angle triangle, then and isosceles also, it will be only isosceles if these two sides will be equal, right? Is this clear? So please find the length of all the three sides, and if they satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, then it will be a right angle triangle. Means isosceles भी prove करना है, right angle भी, then two sides should be equal and they should also satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Please do it बच्चों.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी.
Sir, our next period is started.
Okay. Right. So very good. Students, thank you very much for joining with us. Thanks to all the teachers. Is the teacher can tell me what will be the next topic?
Surface area and volume.
Surface area and volume. So ma'am, in the next class, we can finish this question, especially case question, and then we can surface area and volume. Will that be fine? Right. So thank you very much, students. Thanks for joining.